1. What is the ritual of offering food to little girls on the last day of Navratri called? The correct answer is B. Kanya Pujan. During Navratri, little girls are worshipped as the embodiment of which goddess? The correct answer is B. Durga. 3. On which day of Navratri is Kanya Pujan generally performed? The correct answer is C. 8th or 9th day. Why are little girls worshipped during Kanya Pujan? The correct answer is C. 8th or 9th day. The correct answer is D. All of the above. What food is commonly offered to little girls during Kanya Pujan? The correct answer is B. Chole, puri, halwa. 6. How many girls are ideally worshipped in Kanya Pujan? The correct answer is C. 9. 7. In Kanya Pujan, along with girls, a boy is also sometimes worshipped. What is he called? The correct answer is A. Langur. 8. What is offered to little girls after food in Kanya Pujan? The correct answer is B. Coins, gifts, or clothes. 9. The practice of Kanya Pujan highlights respect towards which concept? The correct answer is A. Feminine divine energy. Navratri is celebrated in honor of which goddess? The correct answer is B. Goddess Durga. In some traditions, why is the number 9 girls important in Kanya Puja? The correct answer is B. They represent 9 forms of Ma Durga. 12. What is the spiritual significance of feeding little girls on the last day of Navratri? The correct answer is B. To invoke blessings of Ma Durga. 13. In which Indian festival does Kanya Pujan take place? The correct answer is B. Navratri. 14. Offering food to little girls in Kanya Pujan is also believed to bring? The correct answer is A. Wealth and prosperity. 15. What age group of girls is usually worshipped during Kanya Pujan? The correct answer is B. 2-10 years. 16. Which form of goddess Durga is worshipped on Ashtami and Navami? The correct answer है A. Ma Mahagauri. 17. What does Kanjak mean in the context of Navratri? The correct answer is B. Young. 18. What is the belief behind touching the feet of little girls during Kanya Pujan? The correct answer is B. They are forms of Devi, so blessings are received. 19. Which sweet dish is most commonly prepared during Kanya Pujan? The correct answer is B. Halwa. 20. The act of offering food to little girls in Navratri represents. The correct answer is B. Gratitude to the goddess.